If you are trying to fix your Facebook Messenger notifications not working, today's video I'm going to show you how you can do it. So first thing first, you have to launch your settings application. As you do so, scroll all the way below and then tap on apps. Here, simply go ahead, search for Messenger. Wait for this to load. And now tap onto your Messenger app. Here, tap on notifications. Make sure this is allowed, and you may go ahead choose your notification types, either if it's allowed for lock screen, batch, or pop-up. Once you do so, tap on permissions and make sure notifications is allowed. Tap notification and tap on allow sound and vibration. Now come back onto App Info page, scroll below, tap onto storage and clear the cache. Once you do so, also make sure that your application Messenger is updated. Head over to your Play Store, search for Messenger again, and make sure that you see open instead of update. If you see update like mine, tap on update and update your app. Now once you do all this, this shall fix your problem.